if vectors A and B, there are two different vectors are given. Vector A is equal to cos omega ti plus sin omega tj, and vector B is cos omega t by 2i plus sin omega t by 2j are functions of time. These two are the functions of time. Then the value of t at which they are orthogonal to each other is. Okay. Then, for example, if I am going to represent this vector A and vector B as a dot product, then that is equal to 0 when it is orthogonal. Okay. Their dot product is 0. Their dot product is 0 when it is orthogonal. When it is orthogonal. Then we can express this one, vector A and vector B, we can express this one as a function of time. As a function of time. When we calculate their dot product and set it is equal to 0, when we find that cos of omega t by 2, which is equal to 0. That means this function of t which becomes 0 when the argument of cosine is a pi by 2. Okay, then solving the t is equal to pi by omega. Then, so the value of the time at which vector A and vector B are orthogonal is pi by omega. So option D is the right answer.